This is the most expensive bottle in the house.
In the house.
It's 150,000.
Okay.
It comes out with a book that gives you the history of the food. The platinum is the most expensive. Then you've got the rosé. The rosé, the bottle is pinkish, but it's finished. I haven't ordered it. So this is also, it used to be the number one champagne in the world. Look, at a bottle store, you pay about anything between 3,000 and 4,000 for this bottle. The same applies to that one. But the Magnum is more expensive. The last time we did a Magnum at a club, it was about $80,000 for that Magnum, yeah. This is the Verve Liter and Dam. It's also about 2,000-3,000 at the bottle store. And then this is the Johnny Walker Blue Label King George 5. This is about 5,000. This one was given to me by Shivas. It was a celebration with Christian Lacroix. Christian Lacroix does clothes. It's a clothing brand, one of the expensive clothing brands. So they did this packaging with Shivas, so they gave it to me. This is Beluga. This is a Russian vodka. It's a Russian traditional vodka. You don't get it in this country. You only get this in Russia and other Soviet Union countries. It comes out like that, and then it has a hammer, because when it comes out, there's a wood around it here. So you have to hit it with a hammer, and then it breaks, then you brush it off. So this is like every Russian prides himself in this. This is their traditional vodka. That's why they don't sell it everywhere.
Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I drink it plain. They taught me to drink it that way.